Welcome to the Cookshack cooking channel, Cookshackers. My name's Butch Flick and I'm the Continuous Improvement Manager here at Cookshack. Today I'm making something for those of you who like it hot. We're gonna make grilled buffalo chicken sandwiches. To start out, we're just gonna douse our 4 chicken breasts here in some Frank's Red Hot sauce. And then we're gonna cover it with some chicken, some of our spicy chicken rub before we take it out to the grill. If you're putting your hot sauce on there, put the amount that you want. Okay guys, we're back in with our plated dish here. So what we've got is some ciabatta bread that we covered with some butter, put on the direct side. We grilled it for 3 to 4 minutes. With the chicken, you saw we put it there on the direct side. We grilled it at about 300 for 4 or 5 minutes before we moved it over to the indirect side, and we grilled on that direct side on both sides 4 to 5 minutes. After we got the buns off, then we took some of this ranch dip, covered it over the bread as well, put some green leaf lettuce, our chicken, and then some blue cheese crumbles on top for some flavor. So tons of flavor, tons of spice. Put this other piece on top here. After we eat that and get all heated up, we've got some celery and some apple slices over here to cool us off. I'm gonna go share this with my friends here at the shop. You guys go make this up and invite some friends over, do the same. If you don't have a Cookshack yet or have any questions, visit us at cookshack.com or pelletcooker.com. You can also give us a call. We'll be happy to talk to you at 1-800-423-0698. Thanks guys.